This is math for Tuesday, August 11th. So grab your math books. You may pause the video if you need to. Open your math books to pages 13 and 14. So this is going to be another graded assignment today, so do your best work. And I'm going to give you some more freebies today, okay? So watch your video in its entirety. I'll know if you didn't, because when I'm grading your paper, if you missed the freebies, then obviously you did not watch your video. So watch your video, okay, until the end. All right, so look at section 2 on page 13. 2A. We're going to write some large numbers. Are you guys ready? Okay, remember in our large numbers, I guess I can go ahead and write this out farther. We have ones. Our first unit is ones, tens, and hundreds. Then we have 1,000 and 10,000. Then we have 100,000. That's our second unit with a last name. Then we have our 1 million. Then we have our 10 million. Then we have our 100 million. Okay? So, in section 2, beside letter A, I want you to write the number 6,231,742. Now remember, every time we say one of the places, thousands or millions, we put a comma for the last name, okay? So look up here. So we're writing 6 million. There's our comma, so we know to say million. 6,231,742. Okay? Letter B, we're going to write the number 17,350,000. Now listen closely to that number. Watch as I say it and write it. So we're writing 17, there's my comma for million, 17,350,000. I didn't say any thousands at all, did I? So I have to be sure that in the thousands place, I fill in zeros because it still has to be represented. If it's not represented, then this wouldn't go out to the millions place. It would just be over here somewhere. So it has to be represented by zeros, even if we don't say a number. So 17,350,000. Okay, that's letter B. Letter C, everybody should be on letter C. If not, pause the video and get caught up, okay? Letter C, we have 6,025,005. 6 million, that's easy. 6, comma last name million, 6,025,000. I didn't hear 100 in there at all, right? So in my 100,000, it'll be a 0. 25, comma for the last name, 25,005. I didn't hear any hundreds. I didn't hear any tens. I just heard 5. So 6,025,005. Okay? Letter D. We have the number 11 million. 11, there's the comma last name, million. 430,050. I didn't hear any hundreds, so 0 in the hundreds. 50. Okay? Letter E, we're going to write the number 1 billion. Okay? So we got to come all the way out here. We got to add one more place out here. After the 100 million is our 1 billion. So we got to come over here. And we have our 1, comma, last name, billion. 1 billion. I didn't say any hundreds or any millions. I didn't say any thousands. And I didn't say any ones, tens, or hundreds. 1 billion. And then our last number we're going to write, and I want you guys to write this one on your own. Think about it and you can do it. Write the number 25 million 25. So write your 25 and put a comma for your last name, 25 million. Now, did we say any thousands at all? No. So how many zeros do we have to represent there? 3 zeros. And then we said 25. 3 zeros, comma, because then we know that's the thousandths place. And then we said 25. Did we say any hundreds? We didn't. But we did say 25. Remember, you have to have 3 digits in the last unit. The ones, tens, hundreds. Zeros represent that we did not say any. Okay? Look at section 3. It says circle the digit in the 10,000s place. So in the 10,000s place, we have to circle it. So we have 326,742. So here we go. 326,000, what's that number? 742. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And it's that 10,000 digit that we are circling. Then letter B, we have 1,576,295. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. We're circling the digit in the 10,000s place. Letter C, we have 539,022. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. We're circling the digit in the 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. And the last one we have letter D. It's 13,736,000. That's it. 13,736,000. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. We're circling the digit in the 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. There we go. All right, the rest of that page you will complete on your own. Turn to the back side, look at page 14, and look at section 9. Section 9, you can pause the video anytime you need to. Look at section 9. We have 2,289 divided by 7. So we're going to say, how many times will 7 go into 2? Well, it can't. How many times can 7 go into 22? Well, we have 7, 14, 21. So it can go in there 3 times. So our 3 has to go above the second 2 because we divided into 22. Now we multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. We subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 is smaller than our divisor. So we bring down the next digit, which is an 8. How many times will 7 go into 18? 7, 14, 21. So it's only going to go in 2 times. Our 2 goes straight above the number that we brought down. We multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. We subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is 4 smaller than our divisor? It is. So we bring down our last digit, which is a 9. How many times will 7 go into 49? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. So we have 7 times that 7 will go into 49. And what is 7 times 7? It is 49. 49 minus 49 is 0. There's not anything else to bring down. So our quotient is 327. All right, let's look at the next one. We're going to do one more of these together. We have 5,000. Remember, you can pause this video anytime you need to look at what I said. You can rewind it. You can hear things over and over again. I do every division problem the exact same way every time. So watching the same one over and over is just as helpful as me doing all of them with you, okay? Because I do it the same way. So we have 5,247 divided by 9. How many times will 9 go into 5? It can't. How many times will 9 go into 52? Well, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So we passed it. So it's only going to go in how many times? 5 times. So we put our 5. It can't go into 5. It can go into 52. Our 5 goes above the 5. 9 times 5 is 45. So we write that spread underneath our 52. And we subtract. We can't say 2 minus 5. We borrow from our 5 over here, make it a 4. And now we have 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. Is 7 smaller than our divisor 9? It is. So we bring down our next digit, which is a 4. How many times will 9 go into 74? Well, 9 times 8 is 72. So I'm going to go ahead and stick an 8 up here. We're going to multiply. 9 times 8 is 72. We're going to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Is 2 smaller than 9? It is. So we bring down our last digit, which is a 7. How many times will 9 go into 27? 9, 18, 27. That's 3 times. We multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. We subtract. 27 minus 27 is 0. There's not anything else to bring down. So our quotient is 583. Okay? So you are going to go ahead and complete pages 13 and 14 on your own. You're going to be sure and tear them out of your book if you're a remote student and into your work packet to bring back to me. If you're an at-home student, in your folder to bring back to me tomorrow. Okay?